Vibratory is the top 30 of Chinese manufacturer and top 10 of Chinese domestic wheel loader industry, and it also the leading of Chinese stock fork industry, and also has 40 years experience in making construction machine and spare parts. Today, I'd like to introduce the wholesale excavators model JGM9085LNZ. First of all, let's get a general idea of its parameters. Its operating weight is 7,500 kg and max lifting weight is 1,200 kg. The brand of energy is YUCHAI Tier-III electronic fuel injection turbocharged energy with loud sensitive hydraulic system. The energy power is 2,200 kW per round per minute. And the displacement is 3.621 liter and the max energy turbo is 3,015 Newton meters. Next focus on his work condition. It was far and fast than clover excavators. Besides, it can also be equipped with a value of accessories like standard bucket or fixed wide bucket, and augers and braking hammer, vibratory rammer, Lotus screw, shell bucket, and so on. You can choose the accessories according to your need. We can also offer 1-year warranty.